So, hindi tayo nakatakbo kahapon kasi umulan. So, supposedly rest day ngayon. But since hindi ako nakatakbo kahapon, ngayon tayo babawi. Yung 6 kilometers na dapat kahapon, ngayon natin gawin. Ngayong hapon. So, tara. 3 kilometers. Basta. 5. Last one. 6 kilometers. Done. Now 1 kilometer walk. Hi. Sad ako sa result ng aking run today. Pwede ko atang takbo was Thursday and Friday, Saturday, Sunday I wasn't able to run because it rained. So ang nagawa ko lang is workout, circuit, pilates and yoga. So the training target actually today was 6 kilometers but less than 50 minutes, and when I check sa iWatch ko nung naka 6 kilometers na ako, parang 53 minutes more than. Feeling ko kaya naman ng legs ko. Parang there's something with my system at the moment that makes me feel weak. Aminin ko. Nag-frap ako this weekend. Parang twice this past 3 days and hindi siya maganda. Sana yun ang ma-overcome ko. Next ko tong ginagamit kong top. I have 3 of this. This is the black, I have the white, and I have the red. So padded na siya. So very comfortable siya kapag ginagamit ko sa run. Alam mo yun, kahit papawisan siya ng todo, hindi mababakit yung nip. At mura pa to. Comfortable, walang sikip dito sa part na to. Pag nipple tape kasi malagkit, ito wala. Kung gusto niyo i-try, sa Yellow Basket.